morning to all of you, as it is 31st of May 2021, class 12, subject economics. Our today's topic is elasticity of demand. Previously we learned about law of demand, its various forms. Today we want to know about the concept of elasticity of demand. Different economists have defined elasticity of demand in different ways. According to Dolly, elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a commodity to change in its price. Means here the relationship of a quantity demanded of a commodity with its price is the feature of elasticity of demand. It is elasticity of demand. So, price of other related goods may be there, or sometimes, as we know from the determinants of demand, consumers' income also impacts or influences the demand. So, in nutshell, we can say that elasticity of demand measures the responsiveness of quantity demanded of a commodity to change in its price. Change in its price is very important, or change in price of other goods also affects the quantity demand, or sometimes consumers' income affects the quantity demand, sometimes preferences, customers' expectations also impact the consumer's demand. So we can say in nutshell, elasticity of demand is basically the responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a commodity in response to its price, or in response to the price of other goods, or in response to income of the consumer. Now there are three forms of cross elasticity of demand. First is when change in quantity demanded of a good is measured with its price. When we measure quantity demand in relation to its price, it is called price elasticity of demand. When we measure quantity demanded with respect to the change in income of the consumer, we can say that it is income elasticity of demand. When we refer that price of the other related goods has changed or increased or decreased, whatsoever may be, when it impacts the quantity demand of other goods, change in means substitute goods or complementary goods, it is called cross elasticity of demand. These are the three forms of cross elasticity of demand or elasticity of demand. And elasticity of demand, in short, is basically the responsiveness of change in quantity demand of a commodity in relation to its price, or in relation to price of other goods, or in relation to income of the consumer, or preferences, customers, traditions, expectations, etc. So this is what elasticity of demand refers to. This much is enough for today.